Now we're gonna do this Integra. We're gonna remove 2 quarter glasses using the ring cuts. Alright, so let's gonna start with the passengers. Alright, the one we used for the last job. And then we go through here. Now if you don't want to be involved to tie, untie, you can use a clamp suction cap, and that's it. That's it. We got the line already in. Let me go to the other side. Now the double spoon I made last time is better, but it's expensive to make one of those guys now. So expensive. So we got the line here. Okay. I'm just gonna put the line inside. This one is smooth and it's easy because it's really hot today. Not very hot, but the moldings are acting very nice. Okay, almost done. Remember, the small ones, what I do is go inside all the way to the corners. Here. And the smaller. So we're gonna go right there. So 1 time, 2 times. But if you want to tie 3 times, you can. Probably it's gonna be better for the line don't move anymore when you clamp it here. I say it's too much, but maybe no. Let's try. This is the first time I do 3 loops tying on the strike right here. This is 1. 2. 3. But if you want to forget all these, you can use your suction cup, okay? And just go over here, and that's it. Let's go with the 3 loops. You can do only 2, huh? Because sometimes the large quarter glass is a lot of cord. On the spoon, you try to do triple loop. I'm fitting the 3 loops on the same spoon, so it's too much sometimes. But maybe no, because the windshield is more lines you have to use. So there you got 1, 2. I'm a little slow with these gloves. I don't like too much these ones. I like more the nitro, but I finished my nitro. I need to buy more in migrant. Oh, Pilkington. Because Pilkington coming back. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And go behind this guy. And over here. Okay, to get him out. And let's cut. Right there. You are in middle. You see the line, the line is moving. You can hold the line a little bit like this. So the first one is out. Let's get the second one. These ones are easy. Any tool can do it, even a blade. A home-made blade. But if you want to look professional, well, now you know what you have to do. That's the clip. You see? So if you see the difference, this one, when you pre-cut the whole pillar, it's easy and faster. The other one is a little more resistant, but not much. Okay guys, so we got this one out already. And this one is out already. Okay guys, so well, that looks like convertible, new style convertible. That's good. Okay guys, so we finished this one. Let me go for the next one. And this is how you do the ring cut, both sides, passenger driver. The difference is we broke the clips only, we didn't break this part. So the other one we cut the whole thing and it was easy, but it's the same thing. You see how much glue is? Nothing. Next one will be more difficult, so we can see how far we can go. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.